Good Thursday morning, everyone. Today is Thinking Cap Thursday, so please be ready to share at 8:30. I am still missing assignments from those of you that I marked missing earlier this week. These assignments need to be turned in by the end of the week, or I will have to count it as a 0 in my grade book. So please get those things finished. On Monday of next week, I will post all assignments missing from last Wednesday to Friday and this week's work. So make sure you are staying on top of your work daily. Today's schedule has a little bit of a change to it, so make sure that you look at the last slide on the classwork PowerPoint. I will be holding a small math group during that time. So take a look at that. Let's make it a great Thursday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.